Welcome, Prep 1. Our lesson today is talking about congruence. We will learn to identify congruent figures and their corresponding congruent parts. First, we have to know congruence of two line segments. Two sides are congruent if they are equal in length. If we have two line segment AB equals 3 cm, CD equals 3 cm, then we will write the line segment AB congruent to the line segment CD because AB equal CD. Can you notice that AB equals CD? We don't write the line segment above the letter, but in second statement we write the line segment because we write congruent sign. Second, congruence of two angles. Two angles are congruent if they are equal in measure. If we have two angles ABC and DEF, they are congruent because measure of angle ABC equal measure of angle DEF, and the right angle congruent to the other angle. But if he write measure, we will write equal. Okay? Congruent figures. Their corresponding parts are congruent, meaning corresponding sides are equal in length, corresponding angles are equal in measures. Third, congruence of two polygons. Two polygons are congruent if there is correspondence between their vertices such that each side and each angle in the first polygon is congruent to its corresponding element in the other polygon. We have a polygon A, B, C, D, E congruent to X, Y, Z, L, M. In the figure, you can note that the measure of angle L like the measure of angle D. This is corresponding angle. The corresponding angle to the angle Y is P. The corresponding angle X is A, and so on. When each two corresponding sides are equal in length, like AB equal XY, BC equal YZ, CD equal ZL, DE equal LM, and EA equal MX, and each two corresponding angles are equal in measure, like measure of angle ABC equal measure of angle XYZ, then the polygon ABCDE congruent to the polygon XYZLM. We have here congruent figures have the same shape and same size. What this mean? Look in this figure. First, congruent if they are same size and shape. Second figure, we have a different size of triangles. Okay? Their corresponding sides and angles are congruent. For example, he wants you to naming congruent parts of congruent figures, angles and sides. Which which vertex corresponding to S? It's E. Which vertex corresponding to R? Yes, D. Which vertex corresponding to T? It's F. So the angle E congruent to the angle S, the angle D congruent to the angle R, angle F congruent to angle T, sides ED congruent to SR, they having the same sign on the side, EF congruent to ST, and don't forget the sign of the line segment. Last one, DF congruent to RT. Triangle congruence statement, to write the letter in its order. It's very important. First triangle EDF, then you will stay to order the corresponding letter. E, we will write S, D corresponding to R, F corresponding to T. Clear? Let's go. Check your understanding. If you are given that a triangle AUS congruent to another triangle KAP, name the three pairs of congruent sides. Okay, AU congruent to KA. We will write line segment sign AU congruent to the line segment KA. Second side, and you write AU equal KA. Second side US corresponding to AP, and without line segment sign you will write US equal AP. Last side AS corresponding to KP. Yes, it's easy. Another example, complete if HIJK congruent to LMNO. He wants you to write angles and sides, angles which angle corresponding and congruent. The angle H corresponding to L, the angle I corresponding to M, the angle J corresponding to N, the angle K corresponding to O. You can write this angle from writing the polygon in order, in its order. I can solve this exercise without see this figures, without drawing. Okay, can you write sides? Yes, it's easy. HI corresponding to LM, so HI line segment congruent to LM, IJ MN, JK NO, last side HK LO. Super student, yes, yes. Another example in the diagram NBLM congruent to EFGH, find the value of X, find the value of Y. We have a polygon and we have measure of angle L equal 110, measure of angle B equal 87, angle N, its measure equal 72, and we have PN equal 10 meter, LM 8 meter. In the other polygon, the angle E equal 7y plus 9 degree. The length of HG equal 2x minus 3 meter. He wants first to find the value of x. HG. The length of HG equal the length of LM. LM equal 8 centimeter. So 2x minus 3 equal 8. You can solve an equation. It's easy. 2x equal 8 plus 3 equal 11. Divided to x equal 5.5. Second thing, he wants the value of y. It's a measure of angle E. E corresponding to N, and the measure of angle N equals 72. So 7y plus 9 equal 72. 7y equals 72 minus 9 equals 63. Divided by 7, it will be 9. From your school book, page 96, there is two pentagons shown are congruent. He wants the corresponding letter to P. B corresponding to R, and the polygon BLAK is congruent to the polygon. You can write the corresponding letters in order. B corresponding to R, L, O, and complete. It will be ROHES. So KB equal centimeter. He wants the length in centimeter. It will be 4 like SR. CA, its corresponding side to EH. So it will be EH. You will write 5 if he write centimeter. Measure of angle A equal measure of angle which vertex corresponding to to A, it will be H. Check your understanding again. Write a triangle congruence statement for the two triangles below. We have two triangles, FGH and second one JKH, and you must write this in its order. F corresponding to J, because we have same sign on this angle. The same sign of G in K. G and K have the same sign. So the triangle FGH, F corresponding to J, then K, yes, J, K, H. Thank you, Prep 1. I hope you understand our lesson today. See you soon. Goodbye.